11 days, my goodness. Hi, James Brown. Thank you for joining. Oh my God. Thank you po. Thank you sa likes. Get off the phone with Mike. He's sleeping now. You okay, friend? Yes, I'm fine. I'm fine, James. I'm just watching my own live. Lazy bum. Lazy bum. Always sleeping. He needs energy, that's why. And then you think something wrong. I know when he's sleeping, but when I think that too much sleeping, it's something wrong. Like, you know, but maybe stop it. Blah blah. Haha. Minamahal kita. Lulubog, lilitaw ang buwan at araw. Thank you for the likes. My channel was teasing you and Mike, yes. Always. Even after you and Mike left, we were teasing. Really? Oh my God. My goodness. 11 days to go. My God. Need more energy. Something about huh? What? Really? Oh my goodness. I miss it. My goodness. Like what? I think I know it. Oh my God. You missed because you were on phone. Yes, I'm phone with my. Lulubog, lilitaw ang buwan at araw. My goodness. I'm not right, I'm not right. I'm not right. I'm not right. And everyone was saying what you were doing alone on phone with Mike. My goodness. Sovereign lifestyle. Lifestyle high. Oh my god. Hot spot. Especially after the sun. My god. I'm from Philippines. Sovereign lifestyle. Living here in the Philippines. My god, Sir Fred. Nice, thank you. Sabrina lifestyle. It was funny. My god. Are you doing Zumba? I'm doing Zumba. Can't believe you threw Uncle Freddy out. Who's him? My goodness. I thought someone trolls Uncle Freddy. That was funny. Where are the dealing up? Dealing up, what do you mean? Uncle Freddy. Who's him? The Uncle Freddy chicken chops? Something like that. Hi, Gazea, Katipay. Kisira. DDT. It's Uncle Fred. Oh, sorry. My goodness. Sorry, Uncle Freddy. My God. I'm so, my goodness. Really? Sorry, Uncle Freddy. My God. Singing a song. Okay, I sing a song, but $100 because it's ano. So brainy. He even has a t-shirt with Uncle Freddy on it. Sorry, Uncle Freddy. Why Uncle Freddy? My God. So hot, pretty. Well, well. It's the, it's just me. Lulubog, lilitaw. Freddy, a good name. Uncle Freddy. I want to meet you. Oh, where are you from, Sabrina? I'm alright, I'm alright. It's alright. Alright. Saglit, wait. I got $9 of super chats for first day. Yes! Congratulations. I tell Mike, you can, when I said, you can send super chat to Sir Francis. Said, I'm, he never used, he can do super chat because the phone, because wow, tika, we talking with video call and watching your live is on the tablet, so he can end the live and the call because he's talking to me on video. That's why he can send the super chat. Maybe next time. I said congratulations and your fault. Yeah. Next time. Maybe next live. My God, that's why he can't do it because we're on the we're talking on the phone. He was ready to score it, so couldn't tag. My goodness. My God. Hey Mauricio, Mida, hi. Why you turning red? 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 Ah. My goodness. Ano ba yan? Oh my God. My gulay. Lul. You guys are terrible doing that while watching me. Thank you, Oscar. Di ko kailangan ikaw yung hindi ako sumira kakadalanan. So tell me where the words start, cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let go. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. The day will take forever for him to get here. Yeah. Haha. I am from Kazakhstan. Nice to meet you, Asgar. Keep counting, yes. Keep counting. Alright, 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 alright. Yep. Brown out now. Ah, why? Why brown out? Same here, always brown out. Ah, just now, my God. Always brown out. Only in the Philippines. Just now. Just I'm 41. 41 years old. Okay, chat later. I need to get a light. Thank you, Sir Fed. Hi! Hi, Finks. Hello, Finks. Thank you for joining, Finks. Bye, Sir Fred. Thank you for joining. Wow, you look young. Really. Thank you. I am 39. Really? 39 and married. Wait.
Kinadok ba na ko dahil kay sorry ka. Dito ba?
Ano? Saro na dyan po ng
Oh,
bunsa.
ang kanang ini yung isda.
Ayun, muna kumalo to ka.
Kung kanya, meron sila. Ano, sa fish pan yun, carbais.
Karabais.
Muna kumalo to ka.
Saan?
Ito.
Ito. Pwede yun, okay na.
Kanang ini sa kanang daw ini. Kanang ini?
Amo din ha.
Ha?
Ito lang ito.
Do you know Kazakhstan? I don't know.
Uy. Anak ko, marksman.
Maswerte ka.
Sirtiyan kita nila.
Makusog na ang signal niya yan. Naghahanap ako ni Ka.
Gano?
Gano'n cellphone paggabi.
Mga rolas yan to. Akala din sila nakakakulik.
Wala, makiswap ka pa. Hindi lang kita mag-march man. Gano'n kasi sir kanina? Alay.
Natod ko ito, kuryente ito sa Zaira.
Ako pa.
Panahon niya ito ni Zaira.
Sarong ka na.
Si Lapong pala, nagpakarga na.
Wala tan arji may nakita nag-board ng dun. Oo, mga sabi ni Tita may kasabi. Sabi niya.
If ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. If you're in my arms again, this time. Where do you work? Why? Why are you asking? If ever you're in my arms again. Where you work? Where you work? May pag-ibig na nagkukunwari, hindi ako babagi, hindi saan ka. Ito si Chak. Si Chak. I'm alright, I won't do it. I'm alright. Let down to read a van. Hi, Ray. Cheryl, bravo. Friend of Toy. Oh, thank you, Ray. Ezra. Hi, Ezra. Thank you, Ray. Very long time, no, ano. Ray. What happened to you, Ray? Ray Miller. Thank you, Ray. I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright. How you been today? Ang hirap mag-explain. I don't know how to explain. How I been today? I'm going to miss you. Oh, you're sweet. Thank you. Ezra, where's your wife? Mark the bomb. Hi, Mark the bomb. Thank you for likes. Why you single? Why you single? She will stream with hubby. Yes. Soon. Did your boyfriend visit yet? Not yet. Coming soon. Doc Mackay, coming soon. My boy's mom passed. Why? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Ezra. When? At the next Monday. Next Monday, but next. Hi girls, beautiful. How are you? I am fine, Salvador. Stroke. Oh, okay, sorry to hear that. 11 days to go. Yes. Thank you, dog. What? 2 weeks? Yes, 2 weeks. Not 2 weeks. Less 2 weeks. Wow, thank you. Thank you so much. Super excited. Excited but nervous. I already gave you Laymal. Oh, Salvador. She's going crazy. You're still my favorite. Thank you, Ezra. Nervous, yes. Still nervous. Yeah. Excited but still nervous. Hi, Jose Cross. Jose. It will be so fun for you when you see him. Yes. It's happy memories. Are you going to do live? Yes. How are you? You are looking well, thank you. And the Utili, hi. She won't know what to do. Like, yeah. I don't know what to do. Lol, Fred. Yeah. I don't know what to do. I don't know what the first thing to do. That's why something like that. Fernando, calm down. Stop and drop. I'm wrong. And That's why it's up to him to hold her and make her feel safe. My God. You hug him, yes. It's true. Maybe just hug, just uh, I don't know I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Do. I don't believe. Why I don't believe? The guy makes all the difference. Yes. He will hurt his back, bending over to hold her. Yeah, something like that. Beba, 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 beba. I still do that with my wife. Wow, that's great. Wow. Hey Ray Bustings. Hey Ray. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi Jackie Lemaire. I wish I could give you some kisses. How you wish. One lucky man, I'm jealous. You will fine. You will be fine. You will be fine. So, what? Someone for you, Ezra. How old are you, Ezra? My asawa ran up to me and wrapped her arms around me. Oh, sana all, Doc. Hello, beautiful from Argentina. Hi, Albert too, from Argentina. Tuguduy, tuguduy. He said the first thing she looked at way my shoes, lul. Mine flew to stay to meet me. Wow, that's okay. Ezra, 56 years old. Nice age, Ezra. Hi, hi, Umaru. I'm alright, I'm alright, Thank you for joining. Good morning, Wizards. Hi. You said you look at my shoes. You look at my shoes. Why shoes? Hi Ezra, but I look 45. Really? Because she's short. Ah, my gulay. Good morning, beautiful flower of the day. Hi, Wandra Salves. Ozma. Hi, Ozma. Asawa ko look at my shoes when she first meet me at this airport. Ah, okay. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know when I first look with my, I don't know what to look. Maybe the tummy first. From Turkey, Ozma. Okay, nice to meet you from Turkey. I'm alright. You see, very beautiful. Thank you so much. How are you doing today, beautiful? I'm doing do live. I doing live. I'll beat you with giggle when you see him. Giggle? Yes, giggle. Something like that. Can't miss his tummy. Can't miss his tummy. That's a giggle. You're just right. Matthew, how are you? Hi, how are you, Matthew? Giggle laugh. Yes, the giggle. Nah. Yes. Giggle laugh. Ah, giggle laugh. So, hi, Restless from Linda. Thank you. Can you sing, please? No, I can. I'm not a singer. I'm not a singer, Ezra. I'm so sorry. That's okay. Thank you. Thank you, Ezra. My hair is turning white. My hair is white, so it looks cute. It looks cute and handsome. It's still handsome. Looks so handsome. God, beautiful, blessed. Thank you, Ezra. Need save my battery. Be back later. Thank you, Sir Fred, for joining. Thank you for joining. Take care, everyone. Take care, everyone. Thank you, Sir Fred. You are so pretty and beautiful. Hi from Maryland. Where's Maryland? Jeff. Brown out here. Maybe hope no brown out here because rainy here. So, hi Fred from Jeff. Where are you from, Jeff? USA. Maryland, USA. Thank you for joining here, Jeff from USA. I see you single. Are you? No, I'm not single. I'm not single. 4 hours from me. 4 hours from me, the Maryland. Kuya Dre Jollibee. We have a sister and Laurel. Okay. Stop by, say hi. Thank you, Kuya. Kuya Dre. George. Gregorio Fernandez. Hello, my princess. Are beautiful, my love. Thank you, Gregorio Fernandez. Thank you for joining. Ezra, thank you, Ezra. Hi, Doc. 10 minutes away from Laurel, from Jeff. Thank you for joining from USA. Sweet Angel, thank you, Ezra. Ipuka, young lady, thank you, Marco. Favorite song? What's your favorite song? Jollibee, I have 1 million subscriber yet. Good job, Kuya. Sing something. Beautiful, wonderful, delight. Wait, I need to sing a song. My favorite song. One of my favorite songs. Like the noise. Mega mega love. Shout out. Stay safe. Everyone, God bless. Hi, Leonie Ariola. Thank you for joining po. Leonie. Doc, where are you from? I'm 10 minutes from Laurel to Maryland. Laurel, Maryland. Da, 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 da. You have a beautiful smile. Thank you, Jeff. How old are you, Jeff? I'm 41 years old, so maybe I'm older than you. Old. How old? 61. Nice age. Be careful, Jollibee. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Same to you. Keep safe. God bless. Keep safe. God bless. Kuya Dre. Favorite food? Favorite food what? Hi, Ezra. Hi, Ezra. You don't look 41, you look 30. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Sir Jeff. Favorite food? Do you have any hobbies? My hobbies? Doing live. Filming. Jeff, yes. You look 25. Thank you, Ezra. Wait. Sometimes I look my own live. That's why I'm confused. Pretty and still pretty. Thank you, Ezra. Your favorite drink? My favorite drink? like wait, San Mig apple. Okay, I will drink. You need to sano. Thought I would be right for you. Bye, beautiful young lady. Thank you, Marka. Thank you for joining. God bless. Have a nice day. Bye, beautiful. Hi, Sir Bell. Hi, Sir Bell. God bless you. Thank you, Marka. How you doing po? I'm doing live. I'm doing live, Sir Marco. Thank you for Sir Bell. Thank you for joining. What time you going to sleep? I don't know when I'm going to sleep. Maybe something like 10 p.m. something like that. I am working. Just wanted to say hi. Thank you, Sir Bell. God bless. Take care. Take care, Sir Bell. Keep safe. God bless you. Yeah, something like that, Ezra. Thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you po. Well, I'm with you. You've been doing okay. Yes, I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. I'm doing fine. I have doing good. Yes, po. That's good. So 11 days. Yes, 11 days ago. Good to hear that. Thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you for the lights. Wait. Sino yun? Kaya na yun, ninihaw. Kamot daw sa ninihaw. Pambaga masiramon.
Magag po. Ibiyaw na ano. Ano yan? Ano? Serong-serong.
Nasa da niya?
Kung ganisa.
Ay, gusto ko uga.
Umayot. Kung serong-serong man dito. Prito ni ate ni Ina.
Ay na. Buli na. Makiayo ako buli na. Kaya na. Ow. Wait. Tell me where do we start, 'cause it's breaking my heart. She got beautiful thing. Thank you so much.
So, may marshmallow tayo dito. So, yung gagawin natin dito sa marshmallow, ano, yung pinakasin niya rin, yung pinakasin niya rin, pauwi.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Natitiko yan pa ako.
Tapos, ito na niya.
Happy birthday!
Dahil ko yung pinubo sa dao para masanay sa pinto.
Makaon? Come on, let's see it. Love song. Ano, fish and vegetable. Well, let's eat. Thank you for the likes. You are Sir Jeff. Are you married, Sir Jeff? Are you married? Do you have to get married, yes? No, why? Why not get married? What happened? Someone lurking. Eh. Separate 10 years. Oh, why? Divorce or just separate? I hit the like button. Thank you for the like, Jel. Also, that's a good thing to get married, I suppose. Yes, thank you, Ezra. She crazy. Ah, I think women are getting crazy and getting married. I think overthink a lot, get crazy. No. William Tibbs. Hi from San Diego, California. Hi. William from California. If I get a divorce, I will marry you. You're amazing. No, you can't marry me because I'm getting married soon. It's your choice. Wait. How old are you? I'm 41 years old. Oh, okay. Congratulations. Thank you, Sir Jeff. 41 years old. Hi, Belly Dismore. Hi, Sir Belly Dismore. Sorry. You're gorgeous and cute, nice body. Thank you. Hi, Christopher Jackson. But guess what? I'm here for you. Oh, thank you, Ezra. When are you getting married? How old is your fiance? My fiance is 60 something like that years old. And here, we're getting married here. Hi, Sergio. Do you have the WhatsApp? Why? Where are you from, Christopher Jackson? doing? Are you married? Rainy here, my goodness. I support you. Thank you so much for supporting me, Ezra. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Appreciate. Why single? Why single, Christopher? What happened? How old are you? You're lucky man. You're lucky man. You're gorgeous. Ah, 32 years old. Still young for me. Me, I'm 41. 41. You're still young. I have a lot of fun here. Doing live streaming here. Only 20, something like that. I'm old for you. No, how I do love you. I don't know who you are. I don't know you. No. You're right age for me. Sir Jeff, I already have a boyfriend. I'm not single. I know you're getting married. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Sir Jeff. Sorry. It's so long. What happened?
Bye! Wala-wala ka ba da? Wala-wala ka? Saga? Saga na, kagabi na. Din. Din.
Oh my god, why I caught the cam? Manap pa ng iba. See something. Not lurking. Lahat na lang lurking. Ano. Ibang iba. Always stress, always. Hey. Where from Andras? Westras. You're beautiful. Thank you. Where are you from? Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the 16 people in the house. What's up? What's up, madam people? Hey, you can still talk to us. Yes. Finish eating. Just finished eating. I know that angels are the most beautiful creatures in the world because I found you, my angel, my God. Bolero. Hey, Gulay. Where are you from? West France. Where are you from? Good choice, beautiful. Thank you, Ezra. Thank you, Ezra. Thank you so much. Yes. Yeah. God is great. Yeah. God is good. Yeah. God is good song. Yeah, God is great. Yeah, yeah, God is great. Yeah. Cute, thank you, Wawa Mobile. Mobile. Wawa Mobile. Thank you for joining. Thank you for likes. Yeah, yeah, God is great. Mm. Hi, Adad. Hi, Adad. Thank you for joining, Adad. So had Jen Christopher. Hi from France. Thank you for joining. Ako'y in love sa'yo. Thank you. I'm going to write a song for you. It's a well-known song from the 70s. Wow, really? Oh my god, thank you, Ezra. I really appreciate the efforts, the passionate. Oh, thank you, Ezra. Oh my god, thank you so much. I really appreciate. I'm always lurking myself. Hi, Ma'am Grace. Good evening. Ma'am Grace, Sir Fred, ano? Uh, I reached the goal. How about your watch hour? Good eve. Thank you for the likes, sir, Ma'am Grace. Hello, Ezra. Hello. Hi, Ezra. From hello, Ezra from Grace. Gabby Montano. Hi, Gabby Montano. Wow, good for him. Yes. Uh, need a watch hours. Watch hour. Need a watch hours. I'm watching the live, but I'm watching your, but not yet. But no need to ano. I'm not comment. Just watching. Gabby Montano. Hi, Gabby. Okay, thank you, sir. Yes, I also told Mike. I tell Mike, maybe also hope Mom Grace also monetizes channel her channels and GTV. Yes, that's why. That's why everyone monetize channel. Yes. Almost 3K pa. Oh my God. Mahaba-habang ano pa. Mahaba-habang lakbay pa pala. Matagal-tagal pa. Pero kapag ano, do live lang. Live kasi ano nakakatulong yung live. Silent LS, something like that. Avoid copyright claims. So avoid music muna. Iwas sa music baka may kaiwas sa strike. Yeah, silent lang. Kasi minsan busy sa trabaho, hindi makapag-live kaya okay lang mag-silent LS. Laban lang. Ma'am Grace. Yun din yung panahon. Kapag nandyan ka na, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Dire-diretso na. Hi, Sir. Kaso nga lang ito, Ma'am Grace, kapag nasa live ka, huwag kang join sa live ng iba gamit ang main account mo, like GTV. Pwede kang mag-join sa gamit ang main account mo, pero hindi ka naka-live. Kasi you can't be human because a human can be this beautiful. You're an angel, a real angel. Why don't you live and try to be beautiful? Oh my God, beautiful words. But, bolero. Beautiful words are hot, Dimmer. I like the words. Kapag ika'y nalulungkot, start, Gabby. What color your eyes again? I think it's a black, sometimes brown. My eyes, maybe it's brown. A little light, dark brown, something like that, but not full black. Something like this. What is a black? It's not true. I've never seen such a beautiful and angel human being. Really? Thank you. Thank you, Sir Hot Demir. Wala. Hi, Royal Flores, Wow. Hi, Wow. Good morning to you. Evening here, Wow. Gabby Montano. Hi, Gabby. Thank you, Gabby. Right, what's mine? Sure, all the Filipino girls are so pretty and beautiful, really. Thank you, Joe. Not all. Maybe they are pretty and beautiful, but not all inside. All good, thank you. My mom is so sexy. Joe. Dark blue. Mula noon. Okay, the man who marries you is the truly very lucky to have such beauty in his life. Thank you. Yes. He's so lucky to having me because I don't and me too. I'm lucky with him because he really loves me. Yes, I'm alright. Yes. You're... Aray ko. Ang sakit. The goddess of source again. Ang kulit. For me. Wow. The goddess of source sagon may gulay. Oh yeah. Thank you sa likes. Alright. Second set. Ouch. Aray ko. God. Matanda na. Sign of aging. Your hair is getting longer, yes. Yes, my hair is getting longer now. Hello, I come to greet you. Hi, Melon Mango. Good evening, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. I'm doing live. You're right. Yes, sign of aging is lots of body pain. Something like something oh, back pain. Yes, a lots of noise, no exercise. Hi, Juan. I'm fine, Juan. Have you been doing a lot of Zumba lessons? Something like this. Yes, Zumba lessons. Ano, nantok na ako. Cheryl, sorry. Why say sorry? Why you say sorry? You doing bad to me? Because you say sorry, what happened is wrong. Something wrong. When say sorry means we do something wrong or mistakes, faults, and that to the person. So what happened? What happened? Not that. Oh, so why you say sorry? Why you say sorry? You're not real. Something like that. Rafael. Explain. It's my habit. Okay. Expression. Me too. I'm always say sorry even I do nothing wrong. Just my expression. Like, sorry, even I don't know something, you know. So when is the big wedding day? I think, no, it's a planning, not yet. It's a planning because when he came here, just only, 29 days, so it's need to prepare the paperwork, something like that. Maybe when he came back again, next, preparing, still preparing. Not much people say sorry. Ah, yes, that's why. Maybe the good people say that because not all. I tell you, this is what happened real in my life. I say sorry even I do something, even I don't have anything wrong. But one, but one person, even he do something wrong, even he do something bad, he didn't say sorry. Instead, they blaming others to get the no. They blaming others, not say sorry. Instead, blaming others to make herself good, and that's a fake one. I don't like that person. Hi, Marco Leonard Ortega. Hello, how are you? Santa Rosa de Lima friend from Colombia. Hi, from Colombia. To get out of it, yes. I don't understand why she blaming others. Why they blaming others even they get even they do something wrong. Maybe the next to accept what he do her mistakes. That's why blaming others. No need to blame others because it's yourself. It's you. Me are responsible for what I did something wrong, but I'm not blaming others. I blame myself because that's what you need to be accept what you are not because you decide your action you decided. I wait how I see that. It's really difficult to say it in English, my goodness. You're responsible, you're no, what you do to the other people, what you're doing, your decision, something like that. Me and brothers go through that from young. Yes. I'm alright, I'm alright. Yes, right, I need to end the live because I need to do something. I need to write a little for my work. So see you next next in few minutes. I need to rest my eyes from the screen of the phone because something like when overuse and over a screen when my eyes over too much on screen something. Oh my god, too much screen. That's why my phone I put it distance from my eyes because it hurts when close to my that's why I need to do I need to the end for a while, then I doing live again. And in few minutes or I doing live again. Thank you for joining, guys. Hope see you next live. Bye bye. Because my eyes went too much on the screen is needs to stay healthy. I'll let you go. Because we need to stay healthy, something like that. Health is wealth. We need to take care of ourselves, the eyes, the nose, the eyes, the nose, the heart, everything. So bye bye. See you later. Bye. God bless.